Manipur has recorded 42 positive cases of dengue in the past 24 hours, out of which Imphal West reported the most number of dengue cases. As per data from Directorate of Health Services, 36 dengue cases were reported in Imphal West District, while Imphal East District reported 4 new cases, and Bishnupur and Kangpokpi districts reported a case each. So far, Imphal West has reported a total of 1,190 dengue cases, 342 cases in Imphal East, 54 cases in Bishnupur, 48 in Taubal, 25 in Kakching, 9 cases in Kangpokpi, 4 cases each in Chandel and Nukrul, 3 cases in Nonay, 2 in Tamenglong, 1 case each in Senapati and Kamjong district. With that, the state has reported a total of 1,683 dengue cases with 4 reported deaths.